All right, guys, we got the truck here in the man cave. We're going to get ready to start taking the wrap off so we can get this thing cleaned up, get it over to Bobby at Showtime Graphics there around Millbrook, Prattville area. And before we get started, I want to show you a couple of things that you'll need for taking your wrap off. So you'll notice we've got ourselves inside our man cave. And the reason I brought the truck inside here is because we can control the temperature a lot better. We got this thing spray foam so it'll hold in the heat or hold in the cool air during the summertime. But the main thing that's important about this is that we can get this wrap off when it's a lot warmer. So we got the heater running up there on the wall, and we've also got a portable propane blower heater. And we're going to turn that thing on in a few minutes and get this wrap warmed up. And that wrap will come off so much easier when it's warm. So we'll get that thing, get it warmed up in here to about probably 75 degrees. And then we're going to take a hair dryer and we'll concentrate that hair dryer to a little area here so we can start peeling this thing off. And that wrap will come off, and you'll see that in just a few minutes. The other thing that you're going to need while you're getting your wrap off, after the wrap is off, you're going to need some stuff to get the glue off. And this is some stuff that Bobby recommended to me. It's called Rapid Remover. And that Rapid Remover just comes in a little spray bottle here. And you can order it off of Amazon. It comes in a little kit. You get the Rapid Remover. You can get this little plastic scraper that won't mess up your paint or your gel coat while you're taking the glue off, and we'll demonstrate that later. It also comes with a little small, calls it the little chiseler. So you'll need that, and then you're going to need you probably about a good 3 rolls of these Bounty paper towels, and that's what you're going to need to start getting this wrap off. So we're going to get started and let you guys watch us as we work and get this thing going. Stay tuned.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.